Are you tired of dealing with hidden fees, complicated apps, and slow, outdated banking? What if I told you there's a way to take control of your finances with a bank that's as modern and dynamic as you are? Today, we're diving into the world of Neon, the digital bank that's changing the game in Brazil. If you've been looking for a straightforward, no-nonsense way to manage your money, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk you through the entire process of setting up your Neon account, from downloading the app to making your first Pix transfer. First things first, let's get the Neon app. Head over to your App Store, whether that's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and search for Neon. Once you've found it, hit that download button. The app is completely free and the download should only take a moment. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. The first step is to enter your CPF number. For those unfamiliar, the CPF is a unique identification number for Brazilian citizens and residents. Make sure you enter it correctly, as this is the key to creating your account. Next, you'll need to provide some personal details, your full name, email address, and a phone number. Neon will send a verification code to your phone number, so make sure you have access to it. Enter the code to proceed. This is a crucial step for security, ensuring that you're the one setting up the account. After verifying your phone number, it's time to create a secure password. Choose something strong and memorable. Think about a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Write it down somewhere safe if you need to, but ideally, it's something you can remember without assistance. Now for the fun part, identity verification. Neon needs to confirm you are who you say you are. The app will prompt you to take a photo of a valid government-issued ID, like your RG or CNH. Make sure the lighting is good and the photo is clear and in focus. You'll also be asked to take a selfie. This is a standard procedure for digital banks to prevent fraud. The app's built-in technology will analyze your face and compare it to the photo on your ID. Don't worry, it's quick and painless. Once your identity is verified, you're just a few steps away from having a fully functional bank account. Neon will ask you to provide some additional information, such as your address and a brief summary of your professional life. This helps them understand your financial profile and offer services that are tailored to your needs. After submitting all your information, your application will be under review. This usually takes just a few minutes, but in some cases, it can take up to a few business days. Be patient, it's all part of the process to ensure your account is secure. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a notification and you can log into your brand new Neon account. You'll have access to a digital account number and agency number, which you can use to receive transfers. But what about the physical card? Neon will automatically send a debit card to the address you provided. It typically arrives within a couple of weeks, but you can start using the digital account immediately. The best part about Neon is its simplicity. The app is intuitive, making it easy to manage your money, pay bills, and make transfers. You can set up Pix keys for instant transfers, schedule payments, and track all your spending in one place. There are no monthly fees for the basic account, and the transparency is truly refreshing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.